What's going on, fam? It is midnight right now, and I am just getting ready to go over the equipment I'm about to use for tomorrow for fishing. So let's turn the screen around so we can take a look at that. So what we've got here, this is an see if I can get this into the lens here. This is an Abu Garcia reel that I've used only once on a rod that was given to me by a friend I used to work with. So I've got a couple different rods. I've never purchased a rod, and we will kind of go through the equipment here and see what else we've got.